Hey, it's Gemma with your latest tech update. Your employees are your first line of defense against cyber threats. But shockingly, less than 10% of employees report phishing emails, where a criminal's pretending to be someone you trust. Maybe they don't understand the importance, or they think it's someone else's job, but ignoring it can lead to a huge data breach. How to fix this? Start with education. Use real-life examples and simulate phishing attacks to show how actions can prevent disasters. Then simplify your reporting process. Use quick access buttons or links on your intranet to make reporting easy. Create a positive reporting culture. Praise employees who report issues. Reporting is a positive action, not a reason to get in trouble. And celebrate successes. Share stories where reporting prevented disasters. By making it easy and rewarding to report security issues, you're not just protecting your business, you're building a proactive, engaged workforce. Want to create a more secure environment? We can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.